Hello, dear everyone. Today I am going to explain the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan. Here, mystery means hidden fact or secret. So, in this poem, we will read the secret of the talking fan. So, let us first read the introduction. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Ceiling fan means roof fan. Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, noisy means creating any noise or sound. If it is creating any sound, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So, here, after reading the introduction, we have come to know that in this poem we will discuss or we will learn about a talking fan. As the title is talking fan, so here one literary device is used, that is personification. Personification means when the elements which are not human beings, when they are introduced as doing the activities of human beings like speaking, talking and expressing his views, that kind of literary device is known as personification. So here personification is used. So let us start reading the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. Now chatter here is used as another literary device, that is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia means the words when they introduce about some sound. The words which are used to introduce some sound are known as onomatopoeia word. So here chatter is used as another literary device, that is onomatopoeia. So here poet is saying that once there was a talking fan and that fan was giving chatter sound. Here chatter is used as the sound produced by the fan. I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. The poet is unable to hear or understand what does the talking fan was saying. But here poet is thinking it doesn't matter at all. What does it speak? Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. Now, poet is saying that that is giving noise, the talking fan is giving noise, chattering sound, because it is not oiled properly. So, one day someone will oil the motor and his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. So one day when that motor will be oiled properly, then it will start moving again. Whirling means revolving. The motor will start working again, and all the mystery, all the secret will be finished. He ran as still as water. Here it is a simile used, another literary device. In this poem, three literary devices are used. One is personification, second is onomatopoeia, and third is simile. Here as still as water. So here simile is used, means that motor will run as still as water. So here it is being compared with the running of water. So this is how this poem is over here, by giving us the introduction of talking fan, and this is how the mystery of the talking fan is over. Thank you.